Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Mystique Potion. Mystique Potion is all about the dreams we have. Being a dreamer, we actually believe that there is something greater and possible than the so-called reality we are living. So what it is, how to open the lock of those uncalled for realities which we are living in, how to be in the present to what greater we can receive. Let's discuss every single thing that we are suffering from on this platform to make our lives easier, happier and glorious. Let us just start with what basically Mystique Potion is. The Mystique Potion is basically the so-called immortal drink or so-called immortal messages that we receive from the power that is the universe for us to divine us, to sort our lives, to make it simpler, easier and glorious. And how should we understand those messages? Every single being on this world, on this planet, has their own angels with them, but we do not acknowledge them. This platform will make you so easy to understand what messages you are getting from your angels, what your ascended masters are trying to convey, what your spirit guides are guiding to you, and what this universe has kept for you. So just hold on and be with us on this tremendous journey of consciousness, awareness, and about being you. We ourselves has bounded us to the six senses we have. But what if we call these six senses to be the power we have? Let us start with the first one. What we see. Seeing is a sense we have been implanted since our childhood. Every kid has been taught that eye is for seeing. But what we see actually, whatever we see is the truth. Is it right? Is truth being seen by the naked eyes only? Or there is something beyond which we cannot see? This platform will open up the ways where you can see what is beyond this eternal thing which we believe is reality. Reality is about all the traumas and dramas, all the relationship frequencies, everything which we have been implanted since our childhood till day for our lives to live. But there is a world where we can create our own reality, which is not required to be the same which we are bound to live. It will be in your own hands to create what you want. And yes, it's so simple and easy to create your own reality. This platform will provide you the tools by which you are capable of creating you. It will help you to create what you want. It will make you feel so powerful and conscious and aware that you will be having whatever you have desired of. Why I am saying desire? Why I am not saying want? Because what I feel is when we say want, want means lack. Whatever you want is what you lack. Have you ever thought of like this? Have you ever thought like this? Want could be lack. Want is lack. And when you replace this want with desire, it will be the thing you want to create in your life. It is going to be the possibility. So just a simple shift of a word can create total different reality, and this platform will enable you to create your own realities which are physically possible. Whether it should be about money, whether it should be about relationships, whether it should be about careers or lives, whether it is what you are suffering as disease. Because have you ever wondered what a disease is? When it is being separated as a word, dis and ease, when there is something which is not ease for you, that is creating disease to you. So let's get into this world where you can magically create everything you want. The only thing we require is, don't go for logical, think about magical, because that is the platform where you get enormous energy to create enormous things. With the upcoming videos, we ensure you to gift you the life you have ever wondered by using some simple tools. Every video ahead is going to tell you about a new tool to change a part of your life. So be connected to our channel, do subscribe it, and do like and share the video also. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.